Hey, hey, hey. We got an Ezgo RXV here, 29 years of experience, over 50,000 golf carts fixed. If you don't do this one thing, stop before you touch your brake. If you don't know this one thing, it'll cost you hundreds of dollars if you don't know it. Now I'm gonna show you how to change it. Here's your brake. You got your heavy duty brake here. Now this one here already has the brake off. So I'm gonna show you what the secret is, not messing it up. Now this is a factory part, OEM. That way what? It's done one time only. And like I said, man, if you want to get a part, like I get factory OEM part, click on the link below. When you purchase something, I'll make a little bit, man. They give me like 1%. And that goes to promote my channel, getting better products. Everyone gets better, content gets better. And plus, you get to save money at the same time.
Like I said, man, we do the one part only as well. If you want to get an OEM part, click on the link below. Or if you're in the market looking for a golf cart and you want a great golf cart for a great price, you click on the link below too, man.
Brake itself on the rear end. Just hand me a rag or something, clean right fast, son. Or sandpaper, whatever I need. Yeah, hand me sandpaper too. So I'm gonna take it, always clean this off, man. But like I was saying, man, if you're looking for a golf cart, click on the link. They're changing the inventory all the time. They're always changing the inventory. You get new inventory. They ship the golf cart to you. And if you got a problem, they'll come out to you, or I'll come out to you if you're close. To go see Jeff and Cade and Cod, him and his sons at Carson Parks, Indiana.
I know this is off topic, man, but look under the golf cart,
like
man,
I do, man.
there. It's about
Get your
25
OEM
foot long
part,
mat by 10
change
foot.
it one time,
and what it does, man,
only.
it's an inch pad foam, but it's oil resistant. No oil can stain your concrete or whatever you want to. All right, going back to this.
And I sold her a brake. And matter of fact, she texted me the other day and said that it's 6 months now and the brake's still doing good. And the other brake wouldn't even last 30 seconds. I wouldn't say 30 seconds. It wouldn't even last. 5 of them wouldn't release from the get-go, and one lasted about 2 weeks. So I got my bolt here now. Now the trick of this is your wiring harness is at the top. All right, right here. That's your wiring harness. When you put that on, you'll put it at the top. Now, right now, I'm just spinning it until it goes in a hole. And what I do is take it and spin it, and then just stick the bolt in there. And then when the bolt finds the hole, it'll just go right in. It'll stop it. But what I was telling you earlier, man, about if you don't do this, it will cost you hundreds. A lot of people don't know this. When you go to tighten the bolts up, if you've been watching my page for a while, you know this. If you're new to this, thanks for joining, man. I appreciate you watching. Welcome to the family. When you tighten these bolts up, don't He-Man them. If you He-Man them, then all you're doing is burning the new brake up. Your part, and you help the page out, because I get like 1%, and that helps the page out. It helps me get better cameras, better recorders, which in the long run helps y'all out. It benefits everybody. And I know all my viewers out there, man, they're like a big family, man. So we know how it goes. We all look out for each other. I met some good friends over YouTube, man. My man Chad, Carl, Isaiah, Gear Wrench, Gorilla Garage. I met a bunch of good friends. Abner. I mean, I got so many I can't even say, man. I met a bunch of good friends, man. But all right, man, y'all stay tuned. Y'all seen it, man. Brakes on there. That simple. I hope y'all like the stuff, man. Let me know. Get your part, man. Click on the link. Or at least, man, just go look at it. Go to the page and look at it, man. See what you think about it. You ain't got to buy nothing. If you do, I appreciate it. If not, hey, man, just look at it. No big deal. All right, y'all stay tuned, man. Hey, hey, hey.